Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode. And this process will also remove a screen lock if you don't know the pattern to your device, for instance. So let me lock the phone so you can see that there is a lock right here, and I'm going to proceed from here as though I don't know it. So number one, we will need to shut off the device, and normally you would just do it by sliding down and tapping the power key right here and choosing power off, but as you will see in this case it doesn't really work and wants you to draw the pattern. So what we will need to do is shut it off forcefully, and that will be done by holding power key and volume down, and you will hold it till the screen turns off, and once it does you immediately switch from the volume down to volume up while continuously holding the power key. So what you want to do, begin, press power key, and when you see the lock screen, immediately begin holding power key and volume down. So I'm going to begin now. And there we go. Now once you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, you can let go, and you should be then in recovery mode. So from here you'll use volume keys to navigate. So volume down goes down, volume up goes up, and you will use them in order to select wipe data, factory reset, and once it's selected as it is right now, press power key to confirm that, and again scroll down to factory data reset, power key that, and the process will begin, and you can see at the bottom data wipe complete, and reboot system now is selected by default, so press power key once more, and the process will now continue in the background. And once it's finished, we should be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.